Okay everyone, so now we are learning that how to monetize a YouTube channel or how to earn money from your videos from the YouTube. So first of all, you should log in your channel or you simply write the URL which is studio.youtube.com. Then afterward you should be going on the left hand side. So here you just click on the monetization. So this type of page will open. Here you can see that channel monetization. So this is the page of channel monetization and there is a grow with the YouTube. Now here the apply button is coming. This apply button will only be active whenever you are meeting with the minimum requirement. So what is the minimum requirement? Number one, you should be having the minimum 1000 subscribers. So here you can see that 1490 is the subscriber of this channel. So minimum criteria of subscriber is achieved. Then afterward 4000 watch time. So this is the 4000 hours, means in the last 12 months or the 1 year you should clear this 4000 hours of the watch time. So this channel is having 4012 public watch hours. Now there are two steps which are recently added. One is the two-step verification. This two-step verification is just added by the YouTube so that you can save your channel. We know that there are so many potential hackers which can hack your channel, and if you are enabled with the two-step verification, then your PIN will be coming on your mobile, only then you can access the channel. So this is the way your channel is more protected. That's why this two-step verification should be active. And the next one is the community guideline strike. Means if you are stealing somebody else's video and you are posting on your channel, then this will be coming as the community guideline strike. Or maybe you are using somebody else's music or maybe somebody else's voice or the video. So these are not the community guidelines. So here the strikes will come. So right now there is no strike. So here all the things are complete. 1000 subscribers, 4000 watch hour time, and two-step verification and 0 community guideline. So now the apply now button is active. So we are clicking over there on the apply now. You can see that there are multiple things which are coming. The step 1, step 2 and step 3. So these 3 steps we have to complete. The number 1 step is review partner program terms. And second one is sign up for the Google AdSense. Google AdSense is basically the intermediate between the YouTube and you. Now you are having the bank account where the money will come, and who will provide you the money? This Google AdSense. So YouTube will send the money to the Google AdSense and it will send to your bank. So that's what is required, and get reviewed. So this is done by the YouTube itself. They will check, is your videos authentic or is somebody else is giving the fake videos in the terms. Let's say if you are having the fake watch time, you are playing your video by yourself. So that should not be there. That is under this thing. So these are the all things which should be done. So we are going with step-by-step process. So now we are starting the step 1. So first of all, we are going to click on the start, which is the review partner program terms. So first of all, we are clicking on the start. Now you can see that there are so many terms available. So you have to read out all the terms, which is monetization, revenue, then subscription, payment, and all these terms are there. So you should accept them. Then afterward, click on the accept terms. So this way you can see that it will take certain time to process. So now you can see that here in the channel monetization, our first step is over. Afterward, we are having the done. Done means it is complete. So review partner program terms we have accepted. That means is my channel will be monetized, then afterward what are the terms and conditions. So I have accepted all. Now we are going on the step 2. So if you talk about the step 2 here, you can see that sign up for the Google AdSense, and we know that Google AdSense is the intermediate between the YouTube and our bank account. So by the help of AdSense, YouTube will provide us the payment. So we should be having the account on the AdSense also. So we are clicking on the start in the step 2. Now here is a pop-up message to us on the step 2. You will be redirected to the AdSense to complete this step. So our page will be redirected to the AdSense. Now here is a drop down menu. Do you have any existing account of AdSense? So it is giving us the option yes. If you already have the AdSense account, then click on the yes. I don't know is not the option. No. No means if you don't having any AdSense account. So you click on the no. So we don't have the AdSense account, so that's why we are clicking on the no. And then afterward, we are going on the continue. So now the Google AdSense page is open. Then afterward, it is saying get more out of AdSense. That means if you want the AdSense give you some suggestions, some input, then you click on the yes, otherwise no. So I'm selecting the yes so that I can get some inputs. Now select your country or territory. Let's say if you are from any of the countries, so you have to select it. Let's say I am from India, so I will select the India from here. So we are going and just India. So India is selected. Now based upon the countries, there are some terms and the condition. So these are the terms and condition that you have to see. Now these all and term condition you have to read and click on the yes. Yes, I read and accept the agreement. Now this becomes active, create account. So you click on the create account. Now you can see that it is again going back to the customer information. So here it will ask you from the customer information. Now we should be noting some important information. Just like in the customer information, you can see that it is individual or business. As we are the independent YouTubers, so that's why we will write the individual. Now here you have to fill your name and the address and the phone number. So these all things you have to fill and submit it. So I'm filling them all. Now here you should be providing your name instead of the channel name. So in the name it should be your name. So after filling all the details, we will click on the submit, and afterward it is showing us the option that redirecting you to the YouTube. So means our AdSense part is over. Now we are clicking on the redirect. So here you can see that it is going back to the channel monetization. It will take some time to complete the step. Now you can see that it is showing us sign up for Google AdSense and it is the in progress. That means it will take some time to progress it, and afterward the review will start. So this is the first phase